Hello and welcome to another Wealth Builders Elite video. It's been a great day in the space today. A great day because Bitcoin hit all-time highs. Look at the price now. It's $66,629. I don't think I've ever seen Bitcoin at this price. Well, I know I have never seen it at this price. And the same with Ethereum. Ethereum is going up as well. You can see 4,098. So as Bitcoin's going up, Ethereum's going up. And everything else really is green. Really good day. Love it. And one of the reasons why I love it when Bitcoin goes up is because I have a Bitcoin business. Okay, if you go to Google and you just type in Bitcoin, you can see all the news. You don't need to go on any specific news site. Just type on Google Bitcoin, click on news, and you can see all of the different, you can get an overall understanding about what is going on in the market. Okay, 66,000, an all-time high. Amazing. Let me click on Bitcoin here. I just want to show you the chart here. You can look at this. Look at that. And look at this. Bitcoin's going up and it's not stopping. And I really do believe it's going to go higher and higher and higher. If you don't have a Bitcoin business paying you in cryptocurrencies, you're missing out. Why are you not earning Bitcoin? Why are you not running a real business and earning Bitcoin? People, I just really don't get it. There's a lot of people that are happy in their 9-to-5 scam. They don't want to put enough effort into building their own business, and it doesn't make sense. Bitcoin is, in my opinion, the best asset of a century. The best, owning this, earning this. You want to do everything you can to earn this. You want to do everything you can to earn this. I don't care who you are, where you are, you want to earn it. You need to get yourself a Bitcoin business. If you're brand new to the game, you don't know much about crypto, and you want to learn, get my Crypto for Beginners training. Okay? Go to wealthbuilderelite.com. You'll come to this page. Put your name, your email, click on Show Me Now, and grab your training. Okay? The training is going to be sent to you in emails. So make sure you put the right email. If you put the wrong email, you're not going to get the training. Okay. So I know there's people who like to put fake emails. If you put a fake email, you're not going to get the training. Okay. So you want to put your name, your email, and show me how, so that you can grab this training. Watch this video as well here. It's a really interesting video. It'll explain to you why Bitcoin is, I would believe, the best asset of a century. Okay. I have my own Bitcoin business that I built. It's an online learning management system, okay? And it works by you learning how to master online marketing education, or you might not even want to do the learning part. You might just want to earn, and you can do that too. We have a suite of programs here, education, that you can learn and you can earn, and you can build it by sharing this powerful program with others. So I'm going to show you this as well, so you can see. If you want to come to this page, you're going to go to wealthconglomerate.com. The link will be in the description, as well as the other links. You can earn up to $50,000 unlimited times. Here I'm showing how you can make $500 to $1,767 per day with one online learning management system. Okay, this is powerful. Enter your name, your email address, your correct email, so that you can get the emails that we send to you. That's going to let you know more about what we have. You're also going to be able to grab my bonus, which is my Crypto for Beginners training as well, when you do get in there too. Okay, when you get in here too. So once you get in, you want to click on either this one or this one. Okay, for the sake of this video, click on Global Team Builders, because if you want to build a business that pays you Bitcoin even when you sleep, click on this one here. Okay, if you want to build it, if you want to passively earn through your team, click on this one. Either one, you still have to put in some work to get something out. Okay, so just click this one here, Global Team Builders, and this business gives you a really powerful system all already done for you. The system's done for you. Everything inside is done for you. You don't need to do anything but just get yourself a package inside and share it with everybody else. That's it. Okay. Most other businesses mean that you have to sign up, do this, register it, you have to pay for the premises, you have to pay to get it ship products, receive products, store products, all this stuff. But with this business, you don't have to store any products, you don't have to ship any products, you don't have to manage the payments, you don't have to do anything. All you do is you enter your name and email address, come in here, watch this 12-minute 49 video. Okay, now once you've watched this 12-minute 49 video, I suggest you do this. You scroll and read. 100% done for your automated system. Explains it to you, explains what you get. Scroll down, watch this video. If you don't want to watch videos and you just want to read, you can download the PDF. Explains the products. Okay, download the PDF and you can watch the PDF and read it yourself. In the train, in the car, before sleep, you can read it on your phone. Scroll down, compensation video. Watch this one, 6 minutes 57. Scroll down, you can see how the packages are. The higher you get in, the more you get paid. Most of my team get in at $500 level, and they're earning up to 90% commissions. Okay, powerful. Main commissions down 3 levels deep of commissions. So you bring someone else in, you're going to earn 50%. You bring someone else that brings someone else, you earn 15%. Bring someone else that brings someone else that brings someone else, earn 10%. And also earn the bonuses here, 5%, 5%, 5%. All of it is explained in videos. Scroll down and you can get the PDFs. Just click on any of these. If you're Spanish, click on the Spanish one. If you're English, click the English one. PowerPoint presentation if you want to do them. Also bonuses, an explanation of the bonuses here as well, all written and in the PDFs. So everything is there. You no excuses. If you don't want to read, you can watch. If you don't want to watch, you can read. Scroll down. Explains more about the bonuses. Here is the opus. If you're somebody that doesn't know how to promote, every single business needs customers. Okay, customers. And most people, especially in other businesses that are not online, will have to get advertising. Maybe go and post leaflets into people's doors. I don't know. They're gonna have to go and do talks, or maybe go down the street, knock on people's doors, do all of that stuff to get advertising, get people to see what they're selling. With this system, you can use social media, you can talk to people, you can do leaflets if you want, you can do solo ads, you can do Google ads, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, whatever you want to do. Okay, but if you don't say you don't want to do any of that yourself, but you've got some money to place into advertising, okay, say you don't have the skills to do anything else, and you don't have the time to do anything else. All you want to do is you want to spend some money and you want to get the right advertising, and you're going to do that every single week, every single month, and you're ready to just spend on the advertising. You don't want to do anything else. You just want to buy advertising and just let it run for me and get paid. So then what you're going to do is you're going to get your, first of all, pick your level. Okay, I recommend $500 level minimum. And then you can do anything else, but start at $500. Okay, and then what you're going to do is you're going to come here. When you go in, you'll see it anyway, the packages, and you're going to buy your traffic packages. The traffic packages are targeted premium traffic, real traffic, no fake traffic that you see all around with all of that solar ads rubbish traffic that people buy, okay, that are scamming you out of your money, and you think that it's real. It's not real. Okay, you want real traffic, you need to come to here, and you once you get set up, you'll be able to buy the real traffic inside. Okay, and you'll be able to get your real traffic to this business. Okay, why I'm explaining this to you is because this is a real business with real products that people need. Okay, people who are online with real products that they want to sell, they can use the online education inside to master online marketing education. And then what they can do is then take that new found knowledge to promote any business that they have. Any business, not just this business, but any business. And say you have a whole team of people that need to learn how to market online, you can refer them here. Refer them here, get them started, and tell them that even if they refer people, they can get paid. See these people? Upgraded to pro, just like I said. $500. Okay, most people in my team upgrade to pro immediately. Okay, because they want to get those high commissions immediately. See, this person just joined through Facebook. As these notifications keep popping up, people are getting started. And as they join, we are earning Bitcoin as Bitcoin is going up. We see that Bitcoin is at 66,000 and we're still earning Bitcoin with our systems. Okay, look at this, upgraded to orange. Okay, someone has upgraded to the highest. Look, you know, people are upgrading non-stop with this system. Upgraded to gold, you know. So what you want to do is don't sit on the fence, because if you sit on the fence, you miss out. Whilst all these crazy stuff is happening in the markets, some people are waiting for the price of Bitcoin to go up. That's what they're waiting for. But I urge you, don't wait. Grab yourself a business and start building it so that you can earn Bitcoin and benefit from the price going up. Okay. Anyways, I'll leave all the links in the description of the video so you can check it out. This automated system, and check out my Crypto for Beginners training and grab hold of it. Congratulations to those who have Bitcoin and have been holding it for a while and the price has hit the all-time high. Congratulations to you. You've earned some money, I'm sure. Anyways, people, thanks for your time, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.